Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a face on RH Dance Studio. So you're going to go to the marketplace and search for like heads instead of faces, like instead of makeups, because they're a little bit hard to do. But you're just going to go to avatar editor, then you're just going to paste the face ID, select enter, and that is it. As you can see, now you have a new face. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.